Hi guys, if your Hisense TV is stuck on the logo screen as it can be seen over here, or if it keeps restarting, this guide is going to help you how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, whenever you see this type of problem, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply turn off your TV and then unplug it from the power outlet. After doing so, you just have to locate the power button on the TV, which is going to look something like this. So you can take a look at the side panel of your TV, and then you just have to simply press this power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. Wait for a minute, then plug it back in and turn your TV on. This particular step is going to remove the temporary glitches that cause the startup issues. Now you can also unplug all the external devices like any HDMI cables or any USB drive that you are using or any type of set-top boxes. Now you just have to turn on your TV again. Sometimes a connected device can cause the TV to get stuck on the logo screen. Now, if your TV is still stuck, you can just simply locate the reset button, or you can also use the power and the volume buttons on the TV. So you need to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the TV restarts. If you can access the menu, you can just simply press the settings on your remote. Then you just have to go to the device preferences option. And when you are inside the device preferences option, you just have to simply look for the factory reset button. So confirm the reset and let the TV restart. So you can follow all of these steps one by one and your TV should boot normally again. Thank you.